300 episodes is coming. The Selling Show. Men's Watch Original Waterproof Men's Digital Light Water Outdoor Sports Watch. Bago ko ipakita sa inyo yung mga benefits nito, panoorin nyo po muna yung video kung bakit po tayo nagkaroon ng interest i-purchase ito. Narito po.
Waterproof na relo at kahit anong babad mo dyan is hindi siya papasukan ng tubig. Ito nga pala yung 51111 digital watch, guys.
Meron po siyang operation instructions kung paano po i-ooperate at kung paano po i-adjust yung date at yung oras. Narito po yung kanyang start dito. Start and to store. Nandito yung reset. Nandito yung light. And then nandito sa baba yung mode. At isiset po natin ngayon yung oras at yung date. Narito po, panoorin natin. Second quarter highlights. Sama-sama ngayong summer on the Vlogcast. The Vlogcast Holy Week presentation Year 5. The Holy Week presentation on Smule Year 7. 1,500 YouTube subscribers and counting. Question and answer. The Vlogcast 1,000 YouTube subscribers promo. The Vlogcast 4th anniversary presentation. Greet and win promo. The Vlogcast 4th anniversary presentation. 300 episodes is coming. The Vlogcast, my official YouTube channel.